Abel Auto Glass and Upholstery has been a trusted auto shop for over 20 years. Abel brought 25 years of experience to his family business. He nurtures the car community with great quality work. Abel's Auto has been featured in many car club shows. It is sought out as one of the best in the business. We established our auto company in 1999. Since then, Abel Auto has become a reference. It is known for perfection, professionalism, and competence. Over the years, we have handled countless projects. We serve many vehicle owners in Hayward, CA. We would be honored to assist you as well. Trust Abel Auto for your auto glass and upholstery needs.